Hello students, today we will be doing an activity and we will be stepping outside. Right now I will be showing, I will show you and demonstrate what we will be doing today. But first, I would like you guys to try and guess what's in the bag. Go ahead and feel. What do you think it is? Could be rocks, could be something else, we don't know. But I am going to pull them out for you. And what is this? Right, a dinosaur, Brachiosaurus. So I will set them down. You will be given each a toy and paint. So I have the paint here. You will be giving paint brushes and a paper plate. So, some paint. I will be tracing this one, also a Brachiosaurus. There's also a zebra, just in case you don't want a dinosaur. Let's put that aside. Now, when we step outside, you need to keep in mind to have your own space so you're not bumping arms or your legs with your friends. You will be giving each a paper plate. I will be putting the paint onto the paper plate, and if you need to make a color, that's okay. We can mix, like black and white makes gray. I will be showing you an example. One second. I will be showing you this example. And this here shows what we will be focusing on. Manipulative skills. If you don't know what that means you will be using your hands and you will learn how to hold a paintbrush and how to outline the figure of the animal you've chosen. Okay. So I will be doing this one. This is pretty much the same thing, but this one was traced out of this little animal. Can you believe that? This little small thing? And I will be doing a bigger one, but it'll be the same size on the paper. So the two colors I should say, maybe three. I will be using green and I will be using black. All right? So the sun should be giving you the shadow of the animal. My shadow's showing two right now, but I'm going to be focusing on one shadow. Okay, so if you want to come closer towards we'll do this one. Okay, so my two colors will be black and white, but I will maybe outline just the top of it with black. So let me get my paintbrush. Let's put this aside. And I will be starting with black. So you don't need a lot, but you want to use a lot, that's okay. But remember, this is how you hold your paintbrush. You got to be careful with your hands because you might get the shadow of your hands too as well. I'm going to start from low. I'm going to start it right here. It's okay if you shake. It's okay if, you mess up a little. This is for practice. Oh, I have that little paint in the way. Let's put this down. And this should be really fun, enjoy, but also concentrate on knowing how to hold the paintbrush. Try to stay in the outline of the figure. So I think I'm going to stop right there with black. Next, I will be using green. Let's see, let's choose another one. Okay, so I'm going to color, all of this. It's okay if you mix the colors You want to blend there. Get a little bit more. If you need more paint, go ahead and get more. If you need help pouring it, I will come over and I will help you. So my paint is almost gone. So I'm going to get more paint. That should be enough. Try not to move your toy figure because then it might be a little hard for you to continue your activity. And like I said, it's okay if you mess up. I know we're not experts, but this is for practice. So learning how to hold your paintbrush. Okay, so I'm almost finished with the green. Okay. So, oh, forgot one more leg. Okay, so I'm gonna move this. And then you can just color it more in if you need more color. So the other color I was using was black. I'm gonna focus on the spots. And I do the circles. Now remember, we're not playing with the paint. We're not putting it on our clothes. We're not putting it on our face. We're using our paint to trace this on the construction paper. And then the little eyes. And put a little bit over here. A little bit right there. So this is how it's gonna look. Well, a little similar, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Take some off right there. And that is how you paint, trace. I'm gonna put a little bit more green just so it blends in a bit. Oh, kind of mess up there, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the dinosaur I chose, and the two colors were black and green. And all I did was use the paintbrush like this, and that's how you hold it, and you dip it into the color of your choice, and you just stay with the shadow, outlining it. And we will be working on other activities to help you with your manipulative skills, so using your hands. Okay, and that is the activity. So let me bring this more up. And there you go. Okay, class. Go ahead and start your activity.